So a client has asked to change the speed of some tracks, and the way they've done it at their studio is they've adjusted the tracks by a percentage rather than a BPM. So I'm trying to recreate that for them. Now, what I'm going to do is just look at this folder and select all the audio, and then go into media item properties. And in the playback rate, I'm just going to put 1.02, and that's going to give me a slight increase in the speed and preserve the pitch when changing rate. So basically it's a Varispeed effect, and then the audio starts to loop again because obviously the chunk's shorter. So if snap is on, if I zoom in here, you can see that's where the loop starts, so we can finish here. Now at the top I've got some volume automation, so I want to move that all along about that much. Check that one is still at 0, yes. That's fine. Now, if you can see the way we've got all the songs laid out in regions, there's now a gap, which maybe we don't want, because if we're going to be bouncing the regions, we just want it to finish at the end where the fade out finishes. So this blank space we need to get rid of. So I set the time selection to the item. The action for that is here. Set time selection to items. Now I go over here, and that is go to the next marker or project end. So the next marker is at the end of this time selection. Now what I do is I set a start point, and then I set an end point. So I set a start point. Now nothing happens until we go over to the beginning of the next region and set an end point. So now we have a selection of time, which is the dead space created by the increase in speed of the audio. And then what I'm going to do is remove the contents of time selection, which is really just this: remove contents of time selection and move later items. So what that does is, you'll see, if I cut, watch this region here. So I cut the time and everything to the right of it moves in. So it's like a bit like ripple editing without having to turn ripple editing on and off. So that's all I wanted to show you, just a couple of quick editing solutions. Any questions, leave a comment or get in touch via my website, drumgarden.net. Thanks for watching.